the roses and the flowers in the morning. Tired with the chains, I'm drowning. Get up for the fight, I'm shouting. Let's go rap.
Hello everyone, this is GoRep from RPM Roads, People and Motorcycles. First of all guys, Happy New Year 2021. This year you'll be having a lot of videos from RPM, a lot of tours from RPM. So today, after doing my 21 365, I came across a rider who has done 33 365, that is 33 centers of Harley Davidson. So I'm getting you Beer conversing from Himalayan Harley Davidson.
Hi.
How are you?
All good. How are you, brother?
I'm good. So how's the riding going on?
Perfect. Loving it.
So Beer conversing will be telling you about his experiences. So Beer, over to you.
Hi, my name is Beer Kanwar Singh. I ride a lowrider and I bought this bike in 2018. And since then, I've been riding in all the areas which is possible I can ride in. I've done 45,000 kilometers. I've done the riding in Pan India. I've done all the 33 dealerships of Harley Davidson this year only, and it seems like I'm the only one who has done as of now in North India all the 33 dealerships of Harley Davidson. And I'll give you a review about this bike. This bike is perfectly bike you can ride on. This bike gives you all the pleasures that you want for your riding. This bike has been there with me in all the phases, whether it was a rainy day, sunny day, or a storm. So this bike can be maneuvered at any terrain. You can take it in a city traffic, you can go uphill. I've even tried the beaches of South India, managed to came out of it. So overall, this bike is beautiful. You'll love to ride. Got a great power into it. It's a 107 cubic inch engine that is near about 1750 cc that you are riding. And there is only one lag which I have felt as of today about the front braking. It should have been a double disc. Harley has crossed this hiccup as well in their new Lowrider S. The new Lowrider S is actually the beast, I would say, because it comes with a double disc and rest a bigger engine, 114 cubic inch engine. So I would prefer, if given a chance, to upgrade to a Lowrider S only. So see, the comparison between all these three, the Fat Boy, Heritage and the Lowrider, cannot be compared to the exact level, because all three are different. Now the Heritage is a touring, Fat Boy is the iconic Harley bike, so it has its own speciality. But yeah, overall, if I say, you can get the same power and the same feel in a better price. And as compared to a Fat Boy, you can maneuver this better in the city traffic, and you can just zip out any of the narrow roads. Actually, 33 was something I never planned about. It was only about 21 365. So we started with the we started with the IHR. We went up to Goa, but due to some faults with me and my bike, so we couldn't complete the iconic ride to Goa. So I always wanted to complete that ride. So during that ride, we went on going to get the few stamping done. So once we were back on the road, me and my bike. I call it a mistress. She keeps me satisfied on the road, always. So when this lockdown was opened, so I was going to South India. So I thought of just zipping it along with me to the South India. So I ended up reaching the South India, doing the center, the Lucknow, Nagpur, Hyderabad, and reached the Chennai. So from Chennai, I went on exploring the complete India. I went on exploring east side of the India, went up to Kolkata, went from Vijayawada, Bhubaneswar to Kolkata, then went to Ranchi, came back from there. This ride of the east was all about it's gonna rain today, and it rained actually on every day I rode. Then after a fortnight of the work, I started exploring the South India, went doing Pondicherry, Rameshwaram, Kanyakumari, then Calicut, Coimbatore. Once that the south was done, I planned to come back to the north. So the returning to the north was from Chennai to Goa, and as I said earlier, wanted to complete my iconic ride, so I kept the Goa a start point to the return. So from there I started Goa to Mumbai via Kolhapur, Pune to Mumbai. Then from Mumbai I went to Surat, Ahmedabad, Rajkot. And from Rajkot I head back towards the north via Jaipur then I went to Dehradun, came to Chandigarh, then I head back the very next day to Jammu, completing all the 33 dealerships of Pan India of 2020 and making it, as it is said, the only rider to do in North India or from Chandigarh to do all the 33 dealerships. So that is what I did in this ride. Total distance, I would say, in the last ride that I did, which I started solo, in which I completed the 21 dealership solo, and I've done near about 16,500 kilometers of the solo riding in that. And overall, with the stay, I would have crossed the amount of, say, 250,000, including my stay and the fuel expense. Other than that, the overall service for this bike is what you need to get it done. The general service is being done in approximately 14 to 15,000. But if you keep on adding to your choice what you want to add, the budget is always, you can't explain it how much you can spend on this. So it is a never ending thing. So what all I did in this amendment in this last 2 years, my fog lamps are changed, I got a gold runway, highway foot pegs, my footboards are customized, then I got 2 speakers from the Harley, 2 as per my theme of the Boss, and then I got a CC bar, and all these customization you can do it as per your particular need. This is done when you keep riding it. The bikes tell you the need what your riding requires. The amount of the accessories I would have spent it, I'd like to keep it silent because it keeps on adding every time. So I don't have the actual figure how much I've spent it, but yeah, definitely more than 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs. It would be there somewhere. This bike is a perfect bike for anyone who wants to ride in all the terrains. You can maneuver in the city, you can go uphill, you can lean the bike as you want. it's I would say one of the perfect bikes that one can enjoy. But yeah, it cannot be the ultimate bike, because once you are thorough with this, you'll want to move ahead. So whosoever wants to start a ride and thinks he can ride in the future and would love to go on the highway, I would suggest that they should use it as a beginner's bike, and they would love to ride after that. They won't feel any difficulty into it. This is my first bike, so and I'm pretty much happy with it. One of the, I would say, a plus point about this lowrider is its alloys. The alloys have been tested by me in such a bad potholes where I had a jerk, and after that jerk I got down out of the bike and just checked my tires and all. They were perfectly fine, and that thing happened in the beginning of my road trip. So I would say definitely the alloys for the lowrider are superb as compared to what the other Harley alloys have been there. Right, thanks a lot. And I'd like to say, keep your mistress happy all the time. She'll keep you satisfied. No matter what road you are on, she'll keep you satisfied. And hope to see you all someday, somewhere. Let's ride together. Let's go rave. Thank you.
Guys, कैसा लगा आपको आज का रिव्यू? प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर कीजिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ. एंड गाइज, डू आस्क क्वेश्चंस, बिकॉज यू नो दीज क्वेश्चंस कैन हेल्प यू गेट द बेस्ट बाइक फॉर योर सेल्फ. सो साइनिंग ऑफ, गौरव जोशी. लेट्स गो रेव.
See the roses and the flowers in the morning. Tied up with the chains, I'm drowning. Get up for the fight, I'm shouting. Let's go, rap.